The School District of Lee County and Lee Schools TV proudly present the 2024 Sounds of the Season, featuring student performances of your holiday favorites from the Alva School, Cape Coral High, Challenger Middle, Diplomat Elementary, Edison Park Creative and Expressive Arts School, Gateway Elementary, Gulf Elementary, Hancock Creek Elementary, Barnes Marsh Middle, Heights Elementary, Littleton Elementary, North Fort Myers Academy for the Arts, North Fort Myers High, Orange River Elementary, Patriot Elementary, Paul Lawrence Dunbar Middle, and the Sanibel School. The Sounds of the Season premieres this Sunday, December 22nd at 5 p.m. on the School District of Lee County YouTube channel and Facebook page.